After this amazing explanation by Mafi, now I'm going to teach you guys how to multiply radicals, how to rationalize radicals, and how to solve radicals expressions. So come with me to the learning adventure. First, I'm going to teach you guys how to multiply radicals. Before we start, I want you guys to have a big idea that most of the times we multiply the outside by the outside and the inside by the inside. So in this case, when we multiply, we need to multiply 6 and 7. So 6 times 7 equals 42. And here, the inside by the inside. So the square root of 8 times the square root of 2, which equals square root of 16. So now I'm left with 42 and square root of 16. 16 is a perfect square, so it's basically 42 times 4, which equals 168. That is our answer. Now I chose a harder problem to see if you guys understood the content. The problem that I chose, we need to use the distributive property. So we need to multiply square root of 5 by square root of 5 and square root of 5 by 2. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 equals square root of 25. And square root of 5 times 2 equals 2 square root of 5, because we can't multiply a square root by a normal number. So now I'm left with 2 square root of 5 plus square root of 25. Square root of 25 is basically 5. So the further that I can go with this problem is 5 plus 2 square root of 5. This is basically our answer. We can't simplify anymore. The second content that I'm going to teach you guys is how to rationalize radicals. The problem that I chose for you guys to learn is 3 times square root of 3 over square root of 5. We don't want the square root in the denominator. We want to rationalize it. So to rationalize it, we need to multiply square root of 5 over square root of 5, as you can see here. Now we need to do like terms. So here's basically we have a 1. So it's 3 times 1 equals 3. Square root of 3 times square root of 5 is square root of 15. And square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 25. That is the same as 5. So our answer for this problem is 3 times square root of 15 over 5. The second problem that we have here is pretty much the same as the other one. To solve this problem, we need to do the same thing. We want to get rid of this square root. To get rid of it, we need to multiply square root of 2 over square root of 2. Here, square root of 2 over square root of 2 is square root of 4. That is the same as 2, as you guys know. So we basically have 2 times 5, that is this equals 10. Here we have 4 times 1, that equals 4. And we can't multiply 4 by square root of 2. So we get with 4 times square root of 2 over 10. Here you are probably thinking, oh, I'm done. But you are not. You can simplify it more. You can divide 4 by 2 and 10 by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So our answer for this problem is 2 times square root of 2 over 5. The third content that I'm going to teach you guys is how to solve radicals expression. The problem that I chose to teach you guys is square root of 2x equals 40. To solve this problem, we want to get rid of the square root. To cancel out it, we need to square the square root of 2x and 40. When we square it, we can cancel out the square root of 2x and the square. So now I'm left with 2x equals 40 squared. 40 squared is the same as 1,600. So when we conclude this, now I am with 2x equals 1600. So now we need to isolate x. To isolate it, we just need to divide both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1. And 1600 divided by 2, 800. So our answer is x equals 800. The second problem that I chose of solving radicals expression is square root of 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals 2. When you see this problem, you probably are thinking, oh my god, I'm screwed, I'm going to get an F in my test. But I'm going to teach you. Calm down. First, to solve this problem, you need to add 1 both sides. So negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. And 2 plus 1 equals 3. So now I am with square root of 2x plus 1 equals 3. This next step, we want to get rid of the square root. To get rid of it, like the other problem, we need to square the square root of 2x plus 1 and 3. When we square it, now we can cancel out the square root and also the square of 2x plus 1. So now I'm left with 2x plus 1 equals 3 squared. As we all know, 3 squared equals 9. So now I am with 2x plus 1 equals 9. I want now to get rid of this one here, of this plus 1. To get rid of it, we need to subtract 1 both sides. Now I am with 2x equals 8. I want to isolate x. To isolate it, we just need to divide 2 on both sides. So 2 divided by 2, 1, and 8 divided by 2, 4. So my answer is x equals 4. I hope you guys learned with my explanations. If you don't, that's not a problem, because I know how to make you guys happy. And this is how I'm going to make you.